In today's video, I will walk you through how to send an invoice in Square. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Square by visiting the official website or using the Square app, then log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, everything for invoicing is found inside your account tools. From there, go to the Orders and Payments section and select Invoices. This is where you manage and create all your invoices. Tap Create Invoice to start a new one. Next, add your customer details. You can search by name or phone number, or choose someone from your saved contacts. This ensures the invoice goes to the right person. You can also add a short message if needed, then set the send date and the due date so your customer knows when payment is expected. After that, add your line items. This is where you list what you are charging for, along with quantity and price. The total will automatically update as you enter the details. Then go to the Payment Options section and select how you want your customer to be able to pay. Before sending, review everything carefully. You can preview the invoice to confirm all the details are correct. Once everything looks good, send it directly to your customer's email. And that's how you create and send an invoice using Square.